Okay, folks, Matthew Weiss.
Every organism on this planet, including the plants I study, has their own instruction manual. The science of reading this instruction manual is what we call genetics. My research focuses on the typos in this instruction manual, not because I'm some sort of weird genetic grammar stickler, but because these small discrepancies are clues we can use to understand connectivity and diversity in a group of organisms. I'm interested in a group of organisms called crimson monkey flower. These plants thrive in isolated desert springs across the Sonoran Desert. Theory suggests that the largest, most well-connected populations of an organism should have the most diverse set of typos in their instruction manual. But in this plant, we found the opposite. The smallest, most isolated populations were instead the most diverse. How does this plant break the rules? It's a plant. It can't walk or fly, right? Well, maybe it can. Hummingbirds distribute the gametes of this plant in the form of pollen. From the plant's point of view, these birds are little more than flying reproductive organs. So, the plants can't fly, but their genitalia can. And this might be the key to how these plants break the rules. Multiple species of hummingbird migrate across this arid region. During their long journey, they need to stop, grab snacks, and refuel. Thus, the most isolated populations of monkey flower are the most crucial stopover sites, explaining their increased typo diversity. It's not just patterns of diversity, but also patterns of relatedness that support the importance of hummingbird migration. When we model similarity in these plants based on their typos, we find that part of the similarity is best explained by hummingbird migratory networks. This research is the first evidence that migratory pollination influences diversity and connectivity in plants. But this relationship is under threat. Climate change has caused a mismatch between flowering time and pollination season. One of the fastest growing metro areas and a border wall sit in the middle of this plant's range. And the delicate springs these plants depend on face their own threats. But understanding the patterns of typos in this plant's instruction manual is a very important first step towards prioritizing and protecting diversity and connectivity in plants and the organisms that depend on them. Thank you.